Hi guys, how is it going? I hope you're going great. Anyway, welcome to this video. My name is Nahda Nabila, you can call me Nan. I'm from grade 9A SMP Negeri 13 Makassar. Today, I will demonstrate about how to make a hot chocolate milk. So, let's get started. For ingredients, we need chocolate powder and hot water. For the tools, we need a 1 mug, 1 tablespoon and 1 stirrer. Next, for the steps. First, add 3 tablespoons chocolate powder to a mug. Add hot water to a mug. And stir it. Lastly, add 2 tablespoons of additional chocolate powder on top. But do not stir it. And finally, the hot chocolate milk is ready to drink. That's all for me. Thank you for watching and goodbye.